Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reddss for Daddy Reddss Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, Foota hype clap back at Sizzla Kalanji. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. Yeah, I'm going to show the whole video, if not most of it. Foota hype, you know, he just had words regarding what Sizzla said earlier on. And remember, I preach peace, but the two brothers, I know they'll work it out. But you know, every man has his own mind and his own opinion, so I'm not going to say any more. Take it away.
Please, me I beg you to talk Sizzla for me there. Me didn't want to start talk till me join him to the live. When I talk Kalanji for me there. Somebody talk Sizzla for me there, fast and quick there. When you talk Sizzla Kalanji for me there, please and thanks. Me's a man, me don't like talk behind people back in. I like talk to them. I like talk to people. Me don't want to talk behind nobody back, you see me? Yeah, I want to talk to Sizzla. Because I look like Sizzla have a lot to say and I have a whole heap to say. So I want to talk to Sizzla directly. Kalanji, forward, man. Forward, and tag him for me there, man. Tag him. Yeah, man. Tag Sizzla, man. It is only right, since him a do live, for him do a live with Foota hype. That would be the greatest thing today. Yeah. So me can get a full understanding of what you try. So I don't want you to talk when me not on live. And then me talk when you not on live. Me and you can have a live discussion. Because this is not a play thing, you know. This is not a man feel like so them can come use now. No. Vice of power. Or try call down nobody, you know. So, me want you talk and me you talk together. Like two black warrior, two black king. Yeah. I don't want you to dip on your live and talk about Foota hype, Ray, and call me name. If your name forget call it, I got call. I want to you, Sizzla. I what really wrong with you, Miguel? You try forward on the live now, make me you talk like big man now. Nobody feel like I can say Foota hype name in a two little thing and someone got call me, oh, Sizzla, so Ray. No, man, me talk to you straight up, Sizzla. I'm not afraid of you. I'm not afraid of no Rasta at all. You hear that? Yeah, straight. I'm not afraid of none of you. You can't have strength for me, you don't have strength for the mission. So I want to talk about me when you join the live and come tell me what you say. Come me done say what me say already. And since you pick it up, whosoever got tell you about Foota call your name. Foota call your name now. Because you call my name, you invite me to call your name now. So, come talk my life, because I one thing me sure about, you know. You could have million bomb and million sword and million spear, you know. You can't hurt a strand of here in my head when I defend righteousness, you know. So, forward over. You tag him on, man. Sizzla no intelligent Rasta, man. Make him come have an intelligent reason with me, man. Me don't want him to talk my film live and then me to talk on my live, dog. You hear that? Straight. I want soldier this one afraid of nobody now. Sizzla, you know me and any little youth where any man can just run up and this. You know that. You know me connected like JPS. So, I mean, why you can talk like? You can intimidate Foota because Foota say what him say. What you mean? Rasta them asleep. And you come and I say Foota this and Foota that, but you repeat everything what Foota say. Come talk, no, man. I want to talk to you, man. And someone want to wake up, man, with no venom, man, with no zeal. The same energy you have towards Foota hype now. You have to have it towards the little girl that get her locks cut from the same day. So me make the whole of them talk. So I know you come talk about Foota hype. Watch what you say, you know what you have to say. Me don't know nothing. Me know say Rasta not do nothing. Whole of them weak out. So come talk now. Me no business, no water no day in my mouth when me talk. Me no diss you. I say the whole of them weak out. The whole of them not talk up. The whole of them weak like a rat. You're gonna let me afraid to talk that. Me not afraid to say that. Me not afraid to say that. I want to know. Remember the same Rasta telling us that the truth will be an offense in a brother. I want to know, dog. Brother, you hear me better now? Brother, you hear me better now? Brother, tell me if you hear better now. Brother, you hear me? Yeah, listen to me, man. Me say what me say already, and what me say on a joke thing. I me never start talk, so much Rasta wouldn't shoot out and attack. So Sizzla Kalanji, don't feel like you can make me look intimidating speech and quiet me. Me a defend righteousness. I never scared or never feared or never feel coward ever in my life when me a defend righteousness. You see the same energy I have to put out and I call my name as a black brother where I defend your cause, where all Rasta afraid to talk about, are the same energy you have to defend your own cause. Don't turn on your life and want you use me as a martyr to prove like you're tough. Sizzla, don't use me as a martyr to prove like you're tough. Only for tough long time. Me shouldn't have to say something where you feel like say you hurt but for you act like you're tough. You can't scare me, Sizzla. Sizzla, you cannot scare me. You can't frighten me, Dada. Dada, you better deal it on a positive level. You come talk about, oh, Foota, you know enough to call my name. I call any Rasta name when I do the right thing. Remember, you can't hurt the body, but you can't hurt the soul. Me a reincarnation of great kings. When me a do have to be done. You as a Rasta man fi know better. Don't come talk about Foota. No way you talk about me. You can't bring badness to me, Sizzla. Me a work for me ancestors them. Me a work for the African gods. You can't frighten me. When you are chosen and you not do the work until me talk, you can't frighten me. You cannot frighten me, Sizzla. Sizzla Kalanji, Miguel Collins, you cannot frighten me. You get up and repeat everything with Foota hype say as a ballad. Then you go try style Foota hype. Don't style me. You cannot style me. You cannot style me. Me not have the fear that we regular human being have. Sizzla Kalanji, you know that. You know you're a gangster, really know you. My thing and a normal thing. You can't frighten me. No Rasta. No man in a music can't frighten me. No man at all in a music cannot frighten me. So don't ramp with me. Don't feel like I can turn on your Instagram and make two look speech like I can. Why you don't want to intimidate Foota? Oh yeah, and the bubble them not gone up an embassy with the big Batman flag there. Go and tear it down. What kind of warrior spirit you have towards Foota hype? But you don't have the warrior spirit there towards the cause and the mission. Oh, them trim the little girl all now, no reach down a 4 past down a Clarendon. Yet down a station. No reach up a Jamaica out of a Prime Minister office. But you want send intimidating video and make speech towards Foota hype. You can't frighten me, Sizzla, man. I want to you, man. Sizzla, me I chat to you now. Foota hype I chat to you now. Careful, you know. Careful. Don't think you can choose not. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Behave yourself. If you want me to have a civilized conversation as two African warrior and reason out to think on the Instagram for the people, fine, but don't feel like you can make no intimidating talk towards me. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. You know you cannot this Foota hype Sizzla Kalonji. You can't do it. You cannot do it. You cannot do it. And this is how me talk about the energy you want to have towards your black brother. Why you don't have it towards the mission? Why you don't have it towards the mission? Rather somebody tell you, say Foota call any name, you watch it, cause me not this you all know. Me talk about the whole Rasta fraternity. Oh, you take it up. Go up on your Instagram bar. Oh, Foota hype. You know enough to call me name, I call any Rasta name when I do them work. And the same thing them when me I say, it you come repeat. And you call Capleton name and Anthony B name, so why your name can't call? You're quiet too. You know I say nothing from when you talk about. I want to hear you quiet out too. You know I say nothing out you call Anthony B name, and you call Capleton name, and you call the rest of man in here, and you call your own name. From when we not hear you say nothing. From when you not burn no fire. What you come talk about? How you change up them words in them song now you? If there's a bad man, don't apologize to no Batty boy. Read up and stay and sing. Bad man, don't apologize to no Babylon. I know so you sing a song. So when you change up your lyrics, them what you say? I submit, you submit. So who you come talk to? And I come talk like you as a straight you send neatly. Me not have to talk in a parable, Sizzla, you cannot diss me. And if you bubble them diss me, them have to hide and diss me and make me know so them connected to you. Sizzla, me I talk to a Foota hype. Just prepare an army before my fight ready. You know me well connected. Now ramp, Sizzla, don't do that. Don't bring the badness talk to me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Music you do, I do music. Don't bring the intimidating thing about can't call any name. Can call any name a million times if I want. 1,000 billion trillion times. Rasta them wake out. And that me say. And me can say it again. Straight. I want to play Sizzla. You're not iron and me not iron. Anything you can impose, me can impose that. My bad back I might talk to. Real bad, serious too. So anything you want, you do. You're going to let man for compromise and come ball to you. All on the wake out. All I Rasta them wake out. I want to hear. On a wake out. I may never talk on who not talk. Me not friend no boy and them entourage and them friend. Cause any boy this me know where it come from when head fly like bat. Straight me attack and I know whisper thing this and a parable. I want to hear Kalonji you can't make no man this me. And worse, me have the powers of the ancestors I work with. You can't diss me. I remember me know the science too. I me know if you pray, I me know if you call upon the ancestors them too. You can't ramp with me. Me powerful down right now. Because I'm weak out. You know, run down money and vanity and talk to me. But I ramp with me. But you come do video attack. Better you do a video and say, yo, Foota hype we need for reason as Rasta. And I you to love Rasta. Where you come talk like you are saying indirect threat like, but don't call the name or else you don't know. Sizzla go sit down, man. I want to hear, man. Now ramp with me. Me and one of them you they can ramp with. You know that. Remember a whole battalion there place and me can wake you up. You alone and God a drive. Remember God and me this man. And me say man, that's why I think I'm on different Foota man. Don't ramp Sizzla man. Don't do it. Remember regular you the place and you see me alone pull up. Where they even expect me. And I say, why you do that? Yes, that I want to. I not left you. Until you're ready, I not left you, so. Because you're in a zone, I have to protect you in a zone. Early morning. Tell the people, them, no man, don't ramp, Sizzla don't ramp with me. No, but I feel like you can come talk on the Instagram like you want. Intimidate Foota. You can't intimidate me, brother. You can't intimidate me, dog. You can't intimidate me, you. Not do that. Me not afraid of no man. And me can dead anytime and me can kill people anytime. The fear of death is not within me. Me not fear death. Cause me beyond flesh. Me immortal already. Foota name can't forgotten. My name can't stop call. And if you don't make me exit the flesh, you have endless amount of funerals to keep. Don't play. Don't ever do that. Sizzla, don't do that. It better you reach out and we all have a serious reasoning as black brothers. You understand what I say? Don't ever turn on your Instagram and play with me like that, brother. Me will go off like a bomb. Cause me not have no fear in me, brother. Me not afraid of no man. No man we have flesh will bleed like me can talk to me. Cause we know if we get rid of people. See him like everybody know if we get rid of people. We can do that. No ramp. Any man they pay us say, "Mine know me a this Rasta." Go suck your mother. Go suck your mother. Rasta them wake out. Rasta them nah do nothing. Rasta them can't even chat out of them mouth. Rasta them submit. And I keep quiet. Me no response. Now come talk about. Me no response. Me no care. Rasta them wake out. All if me dead a man in me done say it. It done in the atmosphere. Rasta them wake out. Rasta them wake like rat. Fuck do no. I want to see him in the gym if you turn on him Instagram and I call me name. Go turn on your Instagram and defend the little girl who cut off her ear. Why me have to come talk first? I want to know no wake out. And you call Capleton name and I call Anthony B name. Like your peace better. I want to. I want to that in a ramp with me. And not play with me. Oh, not play with me. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. As me wait, me see million people attack me. But all you Foota hype, you know you don't have to call me name. What you mean? What you mean? Yeah, cause the rest of them say them nah go up a bubble hill and them nah this and them nah that. You don't need to go up a bubble hill if you see injustice to Rasta and talk about it. From last year or year before last, when the boy them give humanitarian award over stadium and a Batman concert next door. Oh, you not talk about that? Mr. Sizzla, come talk now. Oh, you not address that? Oh, you not address, oh, you change your lyrics them in your song for suit the boy them, and the boy them give one visa, you come in America and then them take it. You know no visa, you know. Talk about that no man. Where you come ramp with me, no ramp with me. The truth will have to be spoken and who not like it, a phone of business. Me not care wish Rasta not like it. Remember a long time, you know, Capleton run me had burn me out. But Foota this and Foota that time now come public. Come talk to me on the public platform. If you don't feel like me attack against you, know, come talk on the public platform. Don't bring no badness in this. Don't bring no can if a man diss me, I mean no say a David house it a come from. Problem dead there. If me know say it a come from Ron a David house, problem dead there. That come from Judgment Yard, problem dead there, me I tell you. I see you know me thing. I don't like me get up here so I chat out of my mouth. Me can defend anything when me a chat say. Straight. Don't ramp. Don't feel like say you can intimidate me, Sizzla. Me not afraid of you. Me not afraid of Capleton. Me not afraid of Buju. Me not afraid of Anthony B. Me not afraid of no Rasta, no bald head, no twist up head, no plait up head, no nobody. You hear that? Somebody just want to know that straight. Straight, me I tell you, Sizzla. You have to make with all a reasoning. You have to make with all a real reasoning. Don't approach this thing under no way like you want to deal with intimidation. Me know you watch this right now, Kalanji. You can't trick me. Me know you watch this right now. You gotta watch this on Breadback phone or Bubba Collins phone. I wanna don't ramp. I am protected physically. I'm protected spiritually. You hear that? Yeah. Rasta I protect me. His Imperial Majesty Haile Selassie I protect me. My African ancestors them I protect me. Me not afraid of uno none at all. Uno last on the way. Uno weakened by vanity. The whole Rasta system me talk about. Me not talk about one or two on so me know you take it up by your head and feel like you want to be the one to come this foot of the whole on a week. The whole on a week out. The strength where you have for me go put it in an effort to organize and centralize on the movement and stop wait for people for burning out before the talk. Uno fi see the problem them and address the problem them. Don't ramp and me I do the work and you come try style it. I want to hear. I want to hear. You talk about Rasta will make millions and now do not. Now me say that first. So you come out I say everything when me say and I go on like I you say. Why? Why you I say the same thing them when me I say? But you go on like I you say. You think the people am a idiot, Kalanji? You think the people am a idiot? The people them know me about the fire nearly 2-3 years now for Rasta, you know. About 2-3 years now me a burn the fire for Rasta, you know. I want to just a crawl out on a little shell and I talk, you know. Me a talk about this 2-3 years now, you know. So what you say? What you say? So you have the strength to come war your black brother now. You and Foota hype go at war, you know. You and Foota hype go at war, but you now war the government. The fire where you did that when you paint the whole light post them in a red, gold and green, where there? Where fire there? When you used to paint the whole August town in a red, gold and green, where fire there? Where the fire there? The energy where you have to turn on your Instagram and call me name. Look how much things happen in Jamaica where you have to turn on your Instagram and but when them rape the little 12-year-old, me not see you put up. When the pastor boy them are rape half the people in Jamaica, me not see you go live. Me not see you burn the fire. Me not see you ready for go war the pastor them. Who you talk to me? You cannot war me, Sizzla. You cannot. Because even in my death, you are going to lose the war. Even if me exit the flesh, you are going to lose. You cannot win. You cannot win. You can't win. Spiritually, physically, and nothing. Because me pure down, me cleaner down. Me have do the due diligence of Emperor Haile Selassie more than honor. Honor cannot win. There's not even an ounce of fear when you talk, Sizzla. You are speaking like a kitten. You are not speaking like a lion. There's no fear. Your roar weak. Your roar that you are roaring is weak. You watch Lion King? When the little lion a roar and nobody not hear him? I saw you roar right now, Sizzla. You are roaring and nobody is hearing. Your zeal is gone. If you want somebody to tell you the motherfucking truth, your zeal is gone. And your little friends them run your way. You stutter, you stutter. Them are wicked too. You have to run them way too. And some of them you have to cook and poison up a yard. Cause them fi tell you, say dada you lose it. You lose it. But as some black people stay, them always quick for one war them own than face reality. Who you send Nietzsche to that I'm in a play hypocrite game, you know. So you did that talk about who no call me name, you know you don't come and talk. Why me not call your name now? Why me not call your name? Because you're bullbuck and dopey conqueror. Me not afraid of you, Sizzla. Why am I afraid of you? For what? I want to hear. Dada, you think you got your bed every day with 25 man? You think you go up a stone hill up a yard with 25 man every time? When you check the girl, I check them with 25 man all the time. You go by yourself all the while, me and you buck up all the while by yourself. So you feel like, say, if you have 1,000 bubble, you chop up a yard, me know where you all your yard and then. Come like on the muscle. I wrong man and I ramp with. Anything me see out of my mouth, you have to just argue with me about it, because I nah diss you no. I will never diss you no. But when you not do fuck with me, I got to talk about it. So nobody come here so like no man this year. You understand? And like no man this year, man, I talk the truth. Oh no, weak out. Oh no, weak out. The whole of no, and no one of no. Rasta business weak. Wake up. Start burn back the fire. Bomb buckle out do no. I want to know. Wake up. Burn back the fire. Do back on the song them. On a text song. Yo, do what on the text song out on the catalog. For please Batty boy. So on if you talk to me. Oh, on if you talk to me. All I would say when you never hear Kalanja diss me. In every video him say, all you boy Foota, don't call me name, you know. You know you don't have to call me name, you know. You can't intimidate me, Sizzla. You cannot. You cannot. There's not even an ounce of fear. If I come to Jamaica morning, me walk come straight up a Baba Hill and start it. Me will walk come up a your yard, Sizzla, up a your studio. I want to do anything you want to do and start it. Because if me there Jamaica man, I not walk and hide. From no man. From nobody. Nobody at all. No man in a music can't make me walk and hide. No man at all in a music can't make me walk and hide. Nobody. Straight. You have to go team up and pay a gunman to kill me like what them try for 50 cents. I see 50 cents still I live after him get all 9 shots. And all I would this him dead and gone. So I try remember say, when the Almighty is on your team, nobody can do nothing. Nobody. Damien Fleury, you can't say anything you want to say now. Remember say a Foota hype this way I live in Jamaica all these years. And I see me stay now, me stay a long time. And I go everywhere. There's never been a point where me hide at Jamaica. When we are cartel them I go at it, me never hide. When we are beanie them I go at it, me never hide. When we are killer them I go at it, me never hide. When we are Mavada I go at it, me never hide. I've never hide in my life. Me never hide yet. So if you don't know me, you better know me now. Me not hide from people. Me not have time for that. Same finger where them have, where the finger work, me have it. And everything where them have in them defense artillery, me have it. You see me? And me have God more than them. Me have God more than them. So that are the part where them can't understand. The Almighty is on my side. So there is no fear. Me not afraid of no artist. Nobody in the music can ramp with me or make them friend them ramp with me. Me I tell you, people in the water me I talk with them, my mouth no found don't know me. If one of them artists I make them friend diss me I tell you, I know pretty something I got happen. Cause my friend them better than feed them friend them and I ask me, I tell you. Feed them friend them when they have. What say them bad? No bad like my friend them, no time. No time at all. Me swear it. Zine? But that is not the point of what me I say. The point of what me I say is, oh Sizzla, I come out so strong towards Foota hype. And you never come out so strong with the million atrocities we are going in Jamaica towards humanity, towards the people them, and towards Rasta. Oh, that me I wonder now. Oh, you never come out and speak up against the atrocities, against the innocent. How much news me post on my Instagram where pastor and some churchman are rape people. Only hear Sizzla come out and say nothing about that? No. The government are rape the people them. And I give the people them injustice. When last year Sizzla speak about that. When last? Sizzla come tell the people them. When last you do a song, a burn out homosexual, burn out lesbian, burn out rapists and burn out everybody in a one. From the boy them a pressure out in a be a rapist in the bun, you know. And be a Babylon, you know. Uno no say Batman out on the mouth again, no burn Batman again, you know. It's like Batman, alright, a rape our problem now in Babylon, right? Come speak, no man, come speak the truth, no. Come speak the truth. That would I like you to come speak the truth. Come tell me when last you do that. When you undress the big problem that Jamaica have. Big LGBTQ flag upper embassy, which is in your territory. Want to protest against that? You say nothing about that, Sizzla? So who you contact? You can't chat to me, Sizzla. You can't chat to me. You stop the work long time. You stop the work long time. So who you come use intimidate? You can't intimidate me, Sizzla. One life me have and a 1 year have. So I don't know what kind of intimidation you use. You could have one truck of bubble I drive with. One bubble box, me bubble start drop tomorrow like rice cream. And I'm not joke thing. Cause it's easier for me work on you know. Come just look for any Rasta me see up there. And murder them. So anything you want to do, you can't bring badness to me, Sizzla. That you can't do. That you not go do. That not go work. Not go work, I tell you. You can't bring badness to me. As a powerhouse Rasta, first thing you have to do, I try have a dialogue to even say make we go live together and educate the people in Panwagon. Say Foota don't have no don't know fully what going in a Rastafari, see? Instead of Kalanji come tap or call name. You sound like a ballhead. Foota, you know if you call me name. And I say if you chat. If you come out and say Foota hype, you don't fully understand what is going into Rastafari. And if you don't know, make me educate you. Make a whole reason and me educate you. Add that you feel say. You come like you try intimidate somebody. You cannot intimidate me. Marcus Garvey blood in my vein. Me connected. You cannot intimidate me, brother. Me no work off of intimidation. America this me there and even America can intimidate me. Bracelet up on my foot and me still not change. Me still about my fire. And I inna the hand of the demon me there. In my belly a beast. And me still a bracelet on my foot and me not afraid. And they know me Instagram. You understand? So nobody come go on like you feel like me afraid of you, Sizzla. You come with a Batman image style. That don't work with me, brother. That don't work with me. I want you to, make sense you threaten me about death. Make sense you tell me about badness. Me's a walking dead man. And you know one thing me sure about? Me, I got dead straight. Me, I got dead, I defend righteousness. Whether it be against Rasta, whether it be against Andrew Holness, whether it be against Joe Biden, whether it be against Donald Trump, it no matter. Foota, I got always a defend righteousness straight. You understand? That now got changed. So, me no want a Rasta feel like say, Uno go come and talk like, come me done here, you know. Remember say when I'm a virgin come here and say, yo, Capleton run here and burn you out in a yard, you know. And me I say, me know them I got hurt. So him can talk and him a burn me out and a bag of thing. Capleton for remember say, when him case I go on a day, see, and me are the only entertainer with turn underground here and defend him credibility. See? Remember when Capleton catch a case for the rape case? Me that wait and listen. I'm not afraid for talking. When Capleton catch a rape case, if people remember good that me alone, Foota hype alone, nobody else on social media, no artist, nobody. Me never say Sizzla come out and defend Capleton credibility. I never say Anthony B come out and defend Capleton credibility. I never say Buju, Buju never there. None of them. And me are the hungry one will come out and turn on me live and tell the people I'm traitor, me not believe the king do that. See? Remember that. Good. So me don't want a Rasta go and like say Foota hungry defend certain thing. When I fool no time to get the fire and I'll get it. That no means say me hate to know or not. Me hate say I'm not defending nothing. And me alone come on social media and war the world for your Capleton. So they ramp with me. True me I talk the truth now. Nobody feel like say it's convenient for rate Foota hype when are you in my defense. But when you my bun you nobody rate Foota hype. You still for rate Foota hype. Because Foota hype deal with justice and reality. Me, in my heart, never believe say you rape my girl. So me come out and say me never believe you do that. So oh no, when me a burning out for the way on I deal with the Rasta thing, you go there run your yard and burn me out. All that work. I ain't remember say I said Foota this. Keep it and not trick yourself, you know. None of the bubble them run, you never depend on social media defend, you know. Nobody run your yard where help you cook, clean up the yard, beat, jump, scrape great and nothing never there defend, you know. And me, Foota hype music, go against the grid, fear. So don't play me. Don't ramp. Then, can me defend truths and rights. I'm a work off of my spirit resonate. I never believe say you rape nobody. You understand what I say? So, me no want to go on like say, Foota on the enemy. Like Foota on the enemy. Me not on the enemy, but you not do no work. You not do no work, so somebody have to talk. You not do no work. The whole on the fall off. The whole I Rasta them and the bubble them if you have bonfire fall off. You're afraid. When you get coward, talk the truth. Talk the truth when you turn coward. When you turn puss kitten. If me never talk, Sizzla would come and talk now. Why take on the 3-4 days for talk? Why take on the 3-4 days for talk? After the girl ear get trim off. Somehow you still not talk yet. The bubble them have demonstration down a girl to go be. Me not see no artist, not one Rasta artist not down there. Not one. Them have one next thing they are Clarendon, not even one Rasta artist not there, not even one. So no one can argue with me now. Where's the movement? Where's the cavalry? Where's the defense? Where's the defense? So you jump on your life now going like you have a point. Or because yeah, Sizzla me name, you have a bigger fan base. You have a bigger fan base, but you're not help the cause. You're not fight the revolution. Hold on to get weak. First thing me can tell you know, as artists, you know, Sizzla, everybody, every Rasta artist. Once you change your lyrics, meaning say you submit to the batty boy them. Once when you stop singing a song, it means you submit. Am I wrong or right? Am I wrong or right? If your song say, bad man don't apologize to nobody boy, and you change it and say, bad man don't apologize to no Babylon, after Batman pressure, that means say, you submit. You are submitting. So we are going to argue, Sizzla, you are not in the position or at the level to disrespect me or argue with me over anything when me say towards Rastafari. Because you, Miguel Collins, Sizzla Kalonji, has submitted to the plight of your enemy. And that's a sign of weakness. Buju take Mumbai by out and catalog completely. You have submitted. Whether you like it or not, the truth. When you go up on stage now, when I bust in the brain for changing the words, because I'm afraid to say Bun Batman and I can't say it. So you talk to me. Little Foota hype will say anything when I want to say anyway with a fucking bracelet on my foot. See it there? See it there? I'm still not afraid. Cause if them take them visa, I still have to live. If them deport me, I still have to live. So who know where richer than me and badder than me, so-called badder than me, after changing the lyrics and after submit. How come? Come explain that. Kalanji, come explain that. If we want to really touch some point now, remember say, there have never been a letter of compassion from Foota Hype Music. There has been a letter of compassion, a letter supporting the Compassionate Act from Sizzla Kalanji Music. So big man, if you want to have a logical reason, join the live Sizzla. Don't go badness because you can't win. If you want, we speak and speak reality. Because we not trick the people them in. We not trick the people them in. Remember, letter supporting the Compassionate Act, meaning you send out a letter via your company. So you're not going to say nothing derogatory and nothing offensive and nothing against gay people. You did that. Your company did that. So who you talk to? You can't talk to me? Come tell the people them say you never do that. Eh? Come tell the people them say one letter never come out on behalf of Sizzla Kalanji supporting the Compassionate Act. Tell them that. And many others will do it. When you don't come for me, don't come for me. Don't come for me now. I wrong man, you not come for me now. Me never sign no letter, no Compassionate Act letter yet. Me never do that yet. Never do that yet. And I mean this in America, you know. Yeah, I'm still out and about, you know. I have a bracelet on my foot, but I'm still out and about. Talk to me, Sizzla. Talk to me, no man. You watch this, you know, me know you watch it. Just comment on any live where you watch it and I say, I done this, join the live. I'm join the live. And you come, tell me, say, one letter never come out from your company within a letterhead and everything in support of the Compassionate Act. I don't know, you want to do it. I know you want to do it. So me just sit down here and wait. You think me never wait? Pound if you can act like you're tough. Sizzla not played me. Me never sign a Compassionate Act yet. Me not support party man. No time. And if them want to deport me straight, me take the deport right now. But you cannot get me sign no letter. I say me cool with them boy there. No time.
Alright, people. Who heard? Who watch? Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share, show that you care. I'm Daddy Reddss. I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.